Namaste children. Our topic is living and non-living things. In last session, what are the things we discussed? Did you remember? Yes, living things and non-living things. Difference between living things and non-living things. The characteristics of living things. Okay? So, in this session, we are going to learn about choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, which group does it belongs to. Okay, students. First one, choose the correct answer. Fish breathe through dash. Fish breathe through dash. A. Their nose. B. Gills. C. Moist skin. D. Tiny holes in their bodies. So the answer is B. Gills. Number 2. Plants do not dash. A. Breathe. B. Need food. C. Move in search of shelter. D. Grow. The option is C. Move in search shelter. Plant do not move in search shelter. Third one, a dog needs dash. A. Air. B. Water. C. Food. D. All of these. The answer is D. All of these. A dog needs air, water, food. Number 4. Which sentence is not true of living things? Which sentence is not true of living things? They breathe. They have young ones. They never die. They grow. The answer is C. They never die. Which sentence is not true of living things? They never die. Once again, I will repeat. Fish breathe through gills. Plants do not move in search shelter. A dog needs air, water, food. That means option D, all of these. Which sentence is not true of living things? They never die. Next one, fill in the blanks. First one, dash gives living things the energy to move and grow. Dash gives living things the energy to move and grow. Food. Answer is food. Number 2. Dash organs help animals to feel changes. Dash organs help animals to feel changes. Sense organs. Fish reproduce dash. Fish reproduce dash by laying eggs. Fish reproduce dash by laying eggs. When a living thing dash, it becomes a non-living thing. When a living thing die, it becomes a non-living thing. Living things move from place to place in search of dash, dash and dash. Living things move from place to place in search of dash, dash and dash. Food, water and shelter. Once again I will repeat. Dash gives living things the energy to move and grow. Food. Dash organs help animals to feel changes. Sense organs. Fish reproduce by laying eggs. When a living thing dies, it becomes a non-living thing. Living things move from place to place in search of food, water and shelter. Next one, which group does it belongs to? Students, look at the picture. below and decide if each one shows a living thing or non-living thing or a dead one. Okay. First one, flowers on plants. Number 2, eggs in a nest. Number 3, logs of wood. Number 4, the sun. 5, fresh peas. 6, a moving bus. 7, a flying bird. 8, cooked vegetables. 9, water. Okay. You have to say which one is living thing, which one is non-living thing and dead one. Okay. First one, flowers on plants. So living thing or non-living thing? Yes, living thing. So flowers on plant, living things. The number 2, eggs in a nest. So eggs in a nest. So eggs are also living things. Okay, eggs is a living thing. Number 3, logs of wood. Logs of wood is a non-living thing, but is a dead. Logs of wood is a dead. Then sun. Sun is a non-living thing. Sun is a non-living things because it cannot move one place to another place. Fresh peas. These are also living things. Then a moving bus. Moving bus is a non-living thing. So with the help of human, it can be moved, but a bus cannot move itself. So moving bus is a non-living thing. A flying bird is a living thing. Flying bird with the help of wings, it can be moved one place to another place. Cooked vegetables. Okay. Cooked vegetables is a dead one. Then water. Water is a non-living thing. Water is a non-living thing. Okay, students, clear? So you have to follow one separate note for science. Okay, you have to note down all the objective type questions, fill in the blanks, and which group does it belongs to. Okay, in next session, that means next video, you are going to write question answer also. That one also you have to write in your notebook. Okay, and learn properly. Thank you, children.